How to make Telegram account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make Telegram account without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you open up Telegram and then you want to use Telegram, so you tap the start messaging option, but the first thing it asks you is to just enter your phone number. Now, is it possible to create a Telegram account without phone number? Well, absolutely no. But do you need a real phone number to create a Telegram account? Well, that's also absolutely no, because there are 50-50 chances. Now, let's say that you don't have a real phone number because maybe you're underage for some particular reason, but you would still like to use Telegram. There are some virtual websites which give you free virtual phone numbers where you can even get the verification code, and that are also available for free, by the way. There are many those on the websites which I'm not going to particularly discuss on this video because there are chances of YouTube flagging down this video if I do so. So if you're interested in that, then you can search them up in Google. You'll find many sites that are available to give you free virtual phone numbers. Some of them are also completely legal as well, so it's not an issue of anything. So when you get and register for virtual phone numbers, you should be able to get the verification code. Once you get the verification code, you can go ahead and then start using Telegram using those phone numbers, even if you don't have a real phone number in this case. And this way you should be able to make Telegram without phone number. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.